Berry smoothie benefits. Smoothies made with berries are a popular and nutritious beverage option. Some of the benefits of including berries in smoothies are high in antioxidants. Berries are rich in antioxidants that help protect the body against oxidative stress. High in fiber. Berries are a good source of dietary fiber, which helps keep the digestive system healthy and may also help lower cholesterol levels. Low in calories. Berries are relatively low in calories, making them a good option for those who are trying to lose weight. High in vitamins and minerals. Berries are rich in a variety of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium, and manganese. Anti-inflammatory properties. Some berries, such as blueberries and strawberries, have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and diabetes. Berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, etc. Smoothie. Antioxidants. Fiber. Vitamins. Minerals. Anti-inflammatory. Health. Wellness. Nutrition. Weight loss. Benefits of avocado smoothie. Avocado smoothies are a popular drink that offer a variety of health benefits. Here are some of the benefits of avocado smoothies. High in nutrients. Avocados are rich in nutrients, including vitamins C, E, and K, potassium, magnesium, and fiber. By adding avocado to your smoothie, you increase the nutrient content of the drink. Good for heart health. Avocado contains healthy fats, such as monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which have been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease. Drinking avocado smoothies can help you maintain a healthy heart. Good for weight management. Avocado is a nutrient-dense food that can help you feel fuller for longer periods of time. Drinking an avocado smoothie can help you manage your weight by reducing your calorie intake and preventing overeating. May help improve digestion. Avocado contains fiber, which can help improve digestion and promote regular bowel movements. Drinking avocado smoothies can help improve your digestive health. May help lower cholesterol. Avocado is rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which have been shown to lower LDL bad cholesterol levels. Drinking avocado smoothies can help reduce your risk of heart disease. Overall, avocado smoothies are a nutritious and delicious drink that can provide a variety of health benefits.